Alrighty. Hello, everyone. We are Daydreamers, and we have made DayCanvas, which is essentially a mental health app that, through dream journaling and dream note-taking, it actually allows users to peek into their dreams a little bit more and also allows them to explore a fantasy type of story associated with their dreams. Do you want to talk about the technical aspects?
Yeah, so basically, we are using two AI models. So basically, what the flow chart of this is that user enters their journal. So journal is basically the experience they have experienced throughout the day. So they'll be entering that as a journal in the app. So we'll be using Claude's Sonnet 3.5 model to generate a storyline out of that. So that we'll be picking the most significant points throughout the days we'll and convert that to make a storyline. So by storyline, what we mean is we'll be dividing them into different frames. So a frame is like comic picture. So we will be converting that into a comic format. So each frame will be the whole story will be converted in multiple frames by the Claude model, and we'll be using the Google's Imagen 3 model to convert each model into an image. So the prompts are generated by Claude according to the user journal and user's interest that the user is specifying whenever he's registering onto app. So once those images are generated by Google's image and model, we'll be displaying that on our app in sort of like a comical format. So user can go through the experience that they have experienced throughout the day in a more joyful and in sort of a fantasy way.
I see. And let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration. So going to create next app. So we're gonna go here and then we're gonna type in June or June. We're gonna submit. And then so this is where we are going to have an opportunity, and then we click view your story. And then they are going to be able to see their kind of like this is a quick little introduction into their story, a summary generated by Claude. And then here we have multiple episodes. And so there, every episode has a little description. And then here you can kind of see more. And all of these images are being generated by the Google Gemini API. And so this is done for every single user based on what we are going to put in. And so, yeah, here are just some more images generated by Google Gemini. And this is just an opportunity for, people to kind of see their dream journal in a little bit more of an animated way with the power of AI.
Yeah, the point here to be noted is that each image, if you try to understand, each image is signifying a strong emotion. Like this image is showing an like love of emotion. Previous images is sort of like showing like grudge or emotion. So each image is displaying some kind of emotion, which is our goal basically, for people to understand their emotion, go through their emotion, visualize their emotion so that they can work on themselves or at least be aware of themselves. So oftentimes people are unaware of that emotion, which led to a mental gap between their well-being. So that is our goal. We are trying to make it a fun to view your emotions basically.
And then, yeah, and then we can always go back and view the story itself. And then, yeah, just kind of go through the multiple different um, journal entries. So, yeah, that is our project.
Yep.
Thank you. All right, let me go and stop sharing. All right. Okay. So let me go ahead and